Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, as you can see from the title, we're going to be reviewing another headband wig. And y'all, get into this cute packaging from HerGivenHair. Y'all know HerGivenHair is one of my top companies that I go to for natural hair texture extensions. So we're going to be doing another wig by them. This wig is going to be in 16 inches. And the texture is going to be the Coily texture, which mimics the 3C4A. So as you can see with the packages, they're going to give you 2 headbands, a scarf, as well as another hair wrap. I don't really know what they call it. I guess we call it like a turban. They also give you a silk bag for you to store your wig in, as well as some extra clips just in case yours get damaged. So one thing I love about HerGivenHair wigs is that they are pretty much ready to go out of the box. You literally throw it on and go. However, as you can see, this is what the curls look like. And for me, I like to go ahead and define the curls, but I did not have to wash this hair at all. It didn't have a bad smell to it. So as you can see, there are 4 combs inside of this wig. You got 3 across the top as well as 1 in the back. And it does come with the elastic bands as well as a black headband already attached to the wig. Now, I have my hair braided back. Y'all, I am so proud of myself with these cornrows. I did good. And I know it's because I don't have on any nails. So can we clap it up for me? Yes, yes, I love it. So I'm going to go in with a stocking cap. I'm going to go ahead and put that on. And y'all, within minutes, I was able to throw this wig on. And I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like without me having to do anything else to it. So as you can see, you can pretty much wear it like this. I actually wasn't thinking about pushing the headband back to expose my braids, but I actually love it like this. Like, it gives you a different hairstyle if you wanted to wear like, you know, most people, they'll have their hair braided down, and then it gives you a little bit more jazz when it comes to the half wig. So you're not really just pushing your hair back. And this just shows you how these wigs are so versatile. Like, you can literally do whatever type of style you want to do with this wig. I'm in love, so I'm gonna show y'all exactly what it looks like when I go ahead and style the hair. Really quickly, y'all know I use the same products: water, Shea Moisture Enhancing Smoothie, and then my go-to, the Lotta Body Foaming Mousse, or whatever foaming mousse you can get your hands on. But the curl patterns is definitely popping straight out of the box. The hair doesn't have a bad smell to it. I love HerGivenHair when it comes to wanting to get you a wig that mimics natural hair. Like, all of the hair I've ever tried with them is just, it's amazing. So yeah, we're just gonna get this hair out of its natural state. I'm gonna be right back with the finished results. Here you'll just see me further define the curls, but I just wanted to come in and inform you that HerGivenHair is actually having a sale right now. So you can get up to $50 off of your headband wig. Y'all know I'm gonna put everything down in the description box, as well as the code down in the comment section below. But I just want y'all to enjoy the rest of this video so y'all can really see how these curls pop, as well as show you how I style the hair with the headbands. So this is my favorite hairstyle out of this entire video. I don't know, it's just something about the pineapple top, you know, puff situation that's going on that I just love. But I'm telling y'all that y'all have to get your hands on this wig. It is beginner friendly, ready to go. It's a full protective style with no leave out, and it protects your edges. Just in case you're one of those people like me that protective styles is the way to go. So I'm going to put everything down in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.